Hello everyone, this is Surbhi here. Welcome to my channel. So pleased to see all of you. In my last video, I made a field of flowers painting and I loved creating that one. And I was really impressed with the lovely effect of the nice vibrant colors, beautiful flowers, and you can see ultramarine blue base at the bottom. So today I'm going to paint something similar, but not exactly with flowers. So at the base, I'm going to have a black color, and on the top we're going to have white, layering the paints on top of each other, and I'm going to blow them out exactly the same way with my mouth and using a straw. But it's not going to be flowers, it's just going to be a splash of colors, and we can see a lovely effect of colors spreading in different directions. Some beautiful cells. So let's try that out today. Let's paint. Welcome back. To begin with, I have base coated this canvas with black and white paint. All the paints are mixed with 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint and 1 part water. So the base is black, Oxide Black, and the top is titanium white. So I'm going to start layering my paints this way, and then I'm going to gently blow them out upwards, a little bit upwards, and then on the bottom, the black part as well, to get the desired lovely beautiful effect. Okay, so let's start layering. Going to start with my beautiful colors. I think I might need to torch them because they might have some air bubbles. Start with my lovely blue. All the colors are going to be in the description box below, so please check them out. It's a lovely blue. I'm going to have my lovely, this is Prussian blue. Nice waves, wavy patterns. You can do any pattern you like. Purple, little thick squeeze there. My yellow. This lovely green, iridescent green. It's got beautiful shimmer. And nice orange. Just on the top here, not too much. I don't want that to become muddy. And then just a few drops, dots of the lovely magenta that I have. Primary magenta. So let's start to blow them out. to use my straw as well. I would also like to have a little bit of my black as well, maybe here somewhere, just to have a little bit of symmetry. And maybe one more here somewhere. Use the blowtorch a little bit and then see. Nice effect here. This looks like a little bit of colorful waves. I might add a little bit of red and orange in this part as well, because it looks very dark. And a bit of this shimmery green as well, this beautiful greenish yellow. I can see some lovely coral, orangish color here, like a peachy color as well, mixed with, I think it's mixed with red, primary magenta and orange and yellow. Give me a lovely color combination. See some nice big flowers, red flowers there. I think that's enough. I'm not going to touch it or fiddle with it anymore. Looks amazing. Wow. So let me get you down on the canvas. I can't stop fiddling with it. Look at that. That's the wet result. Amazing. I can see some beautiful cells there. Oh my god, look at this one. Lovely blues there. Looks like ocean waves. Amazing. I hope these colors stay vibrant when they dry. But I can also see some lovely cells. Beautiful cells here, especially in the reds and the blues. So I'm going to share the dried result with you as well. So I hope you like this painting as much as I do. I actually love it. Leave some comments for me. What do you think? Any different color combinations that I need to use? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye now. Look at this. This is dried now completely and it looks amazing on my white wall. Let's get into it. Wow. Beautiful vibrant colors. Look at these lace cells and the lacing here in this one. So nice and bright. And the green has dried into shimmery and shiny green. And it was iridescent green anyway. But it looks amazing. I love the colors, the way the colors have come out. And they have stayed bright. Really happy. Wow, it's excellent. So I hope you like it. Thank you once again for watching. Take care. Bye now.